Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a Christmas holiday makeover video. I'll be updating my living room. As you can see, I am now doing a little demolition. I am creating a fireplace slash TV wall slash feature wall. So I'm using the sledgehammer to take down the top section of this old aquarium stand so that I can convert it into a fireplace. So I'll be posting these videos back to back to show you some of my holiday decor projects. So stay tuned guys, and let's get right to the video now. So guys, the demolition is finished. That was a very hard task. I did the two sides and my partner did the top. So now I'm patching the areas that were chipped out because we removed the walls at the sides. We kept the back because the tiles that are on the wall are on this unit. You know, they have a little natural look, like a fireplace look. So we kept the back. Now I'm patching the section where the top came from. We could not match back the tile. The tiles were out of stock. So we had to take scraps from what we demolished, pieces, and just to patch back the wall. As you can see, I'm filling in a lot of thin set behind the tile because some of the areas in the walls were dug out very deep. This is the original color of the wall, guys. So we're going to change all of this to white. As you can see, my partner started the ceiling, and based on what we're looking at, we're going to need a lot of coats to cancel out this color. This is the original TV wall with the same tile as the fireplace. In the meantime, my partner is doing the first coat on the wall. I'm just going to finish up the fireplace quickly so that he can paint this side of the wall. So guys, take a look at the first coat, and the paint was not watered down. So as you can see, it's gonna take a lot of coats to get rid of this color. I am running out of pieces of tiles that I am using to patch the wall. So in the meantime, I'm just going to start painting this section of the wall in black. So guys, this is a finished look. I'm not gonna make this video too long. We're going to add one more coat of white paint on the wall to finish off the room. Guys, I'm looking at the fireplace and I don't think I like the look of the natural color against the black wall. I don't think it coordinates well. Maybe I'm missing something, or maybe because the TV is not in place. I think I'm going to paint it black. So in another video, you will get to see how it turned out after it has been painted. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on these frequent Christmas holiday decor videos. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.